Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel where we review the latest gadgets and gizmos on the top 5 best airflow styler curling irons in 2024. Discover the latest innovations in hair styling technology. Stay tuned till the end to find out which product offers the most unique features and why it stands out from the rest. Let's get started. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The CONAIR INFINITI Pro Tourmaline Ceramic Curling Wand. This amazing tool promises to give you those perfect beachy waves without any hassle. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. Section 1. Design and Features. The CONAIR INFINITI Pro Curling Wand features a sleek, tapered barrel that ranges from 1 inch to 0.5 inch. This design allows you to create a variety of curls, from tight spirals to loose waves. The clamp-free design ensures no kinks or creases, making styling a breeze. Section 2. Frizz-fighting control. One of the standout features is the Tourmaline ceramic technology. This helps control frizz and leaves your hair silky and shiny. The wand heats up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, providing ultra-high, even heat without damaging hot spots. Say goodbye to frizzy hair and hello to smooth, shiny curls. Section 3. Ease of use. Using the CONAIR INFINITI Pro Curling Wand is incredibly easy. Simply wrap your hair around the barrel and hold for a few seconds. The clamp-free design reduces stress on your hair, minimizing damage. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced users looking for quick, effortless styling. Section 4. Versatility. This curling wand is versatile enough for all hair types. Whether you have fine, thick, straight, or curly hair, the CONAIR INFINITI Pro can handle it. From tight curls to loose waves, you can achieve any look you desire. It's a must-have tool for anyone who loves experimenting with different hairstyles. Section 5. Brand Trust. CONAIR has been a trusted name in hair care since 1959. Known for their innovative styling tools, they continue to deliver high-quality products. The INFINITI Pro Curling Wand is no exception. With its advanced features and reliable performance, it's a worthy addition to your hair care routine. Conclusion. Overall, the CONAIR INFINITI Pro Tourmaline Ceramic Curling Wand is a fantastic tool for achieving beautiful, beachy waves. Its user-friendly design, frizz-fighting technology, and versatility make it a standout choice. If you're in the market for a new curling wand, give this one a try. Number 4. The 6-in-1 Curling Iron Set. This professional hair curling wand set comes with 6 interchangeable ceramic barrels, perfect for creating a variety of hairstyles. Let's dive in and see what makes this product a must-have for your hairstyling routine. Versatility. First up, let's talk about versatility. This curling iron set includes 6 different Tourmaline ceramic barrels ranging from 0.35 foot to 1.25. Whether you want tight corkscrew curls, loose waves, or big bouncy curls, this set has got you covered. It's like having a salon in your home. Beginner-friendly. Next, this curling iron is incredibly beginner-friendly. The anti-scald tip and flowing shape ensure safety and comfort. Plus, the 360 degrees swivel cable and heat-resistant glove make it easy to use without any salon visits. Even if you're new to curling, you'll find this tool super easy to handle. High-end PTC ceramic. The high-end PTC ceramic technology is another highlight. It heats up in just 20 seconds and cools down swiftly. The Tourmaline ceramic not only creates fantastic curls but also improves hair quality by maintaining better protein structure. Your curls will look amazing and last all day long. Dual voltage. Travel enthusiasts will love the dual voltage feature. The curling wand set automatically adjusts to 100 to 240 volts, making it perfect for international travel. No more worrying about voltage compatibility, just pack it in your suitcase and you're good to go. Perfect gift. Lastly, this curling iron set makes a perfect gift. It comes in a stylish gift box with a heat protective glove and 2 clips. Whether it's for Christmas, Valentine's Day, or a birthday, this set is sure to impress your friends and loved ones. Conclusion: so, there you have it. The 6in1 curling iron set is versatile, beginner-friendly, and perfect for travel. It's a fantastic addition to any hairstyling routine and makes a great gift. If you enjoyed this review. Number 3. The Langhair Le Volume 2-in-1 Titanium Blow Dryer Brush. This hot air brush promises smooth, frizz-free results for all hair types. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. Design and features. First off, the design is sleek and stylish. The unique oval-shaped barrel with 360 degrees airflow and titanium plates helps smooth, shape, and volumize your hair while drying it quickly. It's perfect for achieving salon-quality blowouts at home. Plus, the blush color is absolutely gorgeous. Performance. When it comes to performance, this brush dryer doesn't disappoint. The low setting is ideal for fine or thin hair, while the high setting works wonders on thick, coarse, or textured hair. The cool setting is perfect for enhancing shine and locking in your style. It's versatile and effective for all hair types. Ease of use. Using the Langhair Le Volume brush dryer is a breeze. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for everyday use. The compact design means you can travel lighter, as it eliminates the need for a separate round brush. It's a game changer for anyone on the go. Results. The results speak for themselves. Whether you're looking for smooth, sleek strands, mega volume, or beautifully curled ends, this 2-in-1 brush dryer delivers. My hair feels soft, looks shiny, and is completely frizz-free. It's like having a professional blowout at home every time. Conclusion: overall, I highly recommend the Langhair Le Volume 2-in-1 Titanium Blow Dryer Brush. It's a fantastic investment for anyone looking to achieve salon-quality results at home. Number 2. The Shark HD 430 FlexStyle Air Styling Drying System. This powerful hair dryer brush and multi-styler promises to curl, volumize, smooth, and dry your hair without heat damage. Let's dive into its features and see if it lives up to the hype. Section 1. Multi-Styling Tool. The Shark HD 430 FlexStyle is a versatile multi-styler that transforms from a powerful hairdryer into a styling wand. With its auto-wrap curlers, paddle brush, oval brush, and concentrator attachment, you can explore various styles for any hair type. It's like having multiple tools in one. Section 2. Curl, volumize, smooth, dry. This tool is designed to give you the power to curl, volumize, smooth, and dry your hair effortlessly. The versatile stylers attach easily, allowing you to switch between different styles. Whether you want bouncy curls or sleek straight hair, the FlexStyle has got you covered. Section 3. No heat damage. One of the standout features is its ability to dry your hair quickly while maintaining low heat. The FlexStyle measures and regulates temperatures 1,000 times per second to ensure consistent air temperature. This means you get fast drying without the risk of heat damage, keeping your hair healthy and shiny. Section 4. Powerful, fast drying. Despite being compact and lightweight at just over 1.5 pounds, the FlexStyle delivers powerful and fast drying performance. You can style your hair while you dry it, saving you time and effort. It's perfect for those busy mornings when you need to get ready quickly. Section 5. For all hair types, the FlexStyle is suitable for all hair types, whether you have straight, wavy, curly, or coily hair. The 1.25 auto-wrap curlers use CONAIR technology to wrap, curl, and set your hair automatically. The oval brush adds volume and bounce, while the paddle brush smooths and straightens. Conclusion: in conclusion, the Shark HD 430 FlexStyle Air Styling Drying System is a game-changer for anyone looking to achieve salon-quality hair at home. With its versatile attachments, powerful performance, and no heat damage feature, it's definitely worth considering. Number 1. The TYMO Airflow Curling Iron. This 2-in-1 ceramic flat iron and curling wand promises lasting curls and sleek straight hair. Let's dive into its features and see if it lives up to the hype. Section 1. Versatile Styling. The TYMO Airflow Curling Iron is designed for all hair types. Whether you want beach waves, bouncy curls, or straight strands, this tool can do it all. Its 1.25-inch barrel and flat iron combo make it easy to switch up your look with just one glide. Section 2. Salon Results at Home. Featuring 360 degrees airflow technology and 88 ionic cool air vents, this curling iron heats, curls, and cools your hair in one go. The result? Long-lasting curls and waves with a shiny, salon-like finish. Millions of negative ions nourish your hair, leaving it smooth and frizz-free. Section 3. Safe and Effortless Styling. The TYMO Airflow Curling Iron is built for safe and effortless styling. Its Tourmaline ceramic coating provides even heat distribution, reducing heat damage and frizz. The 3D floating plates and ergonomic clamp ensure a snag-free glide, giving you ultra-smooth results every time. Section 4. Customizable Heat Settings. With 5 precise temperature settings, you can select the perfect heat for your hair type and desired look. The integrated PTC sensors prevent excessive heat or heat loss, protecting your hair while styling it to perfection. Feel confident and in control with this versatile tool. Section 5. Customer Satisfaction. At TYMO, customer satisfaction is a top priority. They offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee and attentive customer service. If you have any questions or concerns about the product or styling techniques, their team is ready to help. Conclusion. So, is the TYMO Airflow Curling Iron worth it? Absolutely. Its versatility, salon quality results, and safety features make it a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their hair game. I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.